Protein treatment can't grow your hair long, but this is what it will do for you. Hey, my name is Tovia and I'm a natural hair enthusiast. You can see my hair. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about protein treatment. One of my coily girlies asked me to talk about protein treatment, and that's what I'm going to be doing. What is protein treatment? Now, first off, our hair is made of protein. So our hair is made of protein, and at points in time you experience damage due to maybe styles that you use or the way you comb your hair. So what protein treatment actually does, it helps to strengthen your hair strands and repair any damage that has been done to the hair. So that's what protein treatment does. It doesn't necessarily grow your hair out of your scalp. Like, it doesn't, unlike rosemary that stimulates hair growth, protein treatment doesn't do that. It only strengthens your hair strands so that it will prevent breakage, reduce shedding, so you can actually see the length that you are growing, so you can actually retain that length. So that's what protein treatment does. So it's not any magic thing, like, it's just to prevent your hair from breaking so you can see the hair that is growing. That's it. For the protein treatment itself, there are special products that have been made for protein treatment, and you can use DIYs for protein treatment. So I don't know about any special product, any product per se, because I don't use any product. What I use for my protein treatment is rice water, and I have used pear, yes, avocado pear and egg once. That's just once, and I can't really say anything about it because I just used it once. I didn't feel any difference. I don't know. So, but rice water, I have used rice water throughout my hair journey in rice water, and it has been working well. Like, my hair hardly breaks. Like, most, if you want to see anything, shedding, because normally our hair shed between, I think, 50 to 100 strands a day. So, but it actually also reduces that shedding. So I'm going to show you how I use rice water, like in this video. Now just stay to the end. I'll show you how I use rice water on my wash days. So for preparing the rice water, I already have a video for that. I will add the link to the description or the caption so you can go and watch it. So let's see how I use rice water for my hair. So this particular rice water, I kept it for 1 week. That's usually how long I keep my rice water. But this one, I did not remove the rice. I didn't remove the rice because usually I do remove the rice before. But the last one I did, as a last month, I forgot to remove the rice. It was not intentional. But when I used it, like, the effect was more than, like, it was better than when I used to remove the rice. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It's just something I felt. See, there are some things you can't explain. You just know, it's experience. You just experience it again. So I just knew that this thing was different. The way my hair felt. Now, apart from it actually softened my hair. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it was different. So that's why this one, I made sure it's different also. Like, I made sure I did not remove the rice, and you see the thing is smelly. God, it's smelly. Now you can add orange peel or tangerine peel to it when you do it, so that that will actually help with the smell. I used to do that, but I don't have strength to start looking for tangerine peel. So what I do, I just pour it on my hair like I'm bathing. I just pour it all over my hair, massage it. Then I tie, I use a black polythene bag, a nylon bag. I just cover it and I leave it for 30 minutes to stay. After 30 minutes, I wash it off. Now I do this before. This is the first thing. In fact, this is my pre-poo. This is what I use for my pre-poo. So I do this before any other thing. After I detangle my hair, I put the rice water, leave it for 30 minutes in the polythene bag. Then after that, I rinse it off. Then I go ahead and wash my hair and use my deep conditioner and any other thing I'm doing. So that's basically how I use rice, and how I do my protein treatment, and how I use rice water. Like, I don't know, you can try it, but rice water is just easy. I usually use half cup of rice. Half cup of rice. That's what I use. So go ahead and watch the video on how I make the rice water. It's very easy. You can decide to leave the rice inside. Just leave the rice inside for 1 week. I think it's more potent when you leave it inside. So thanks for watching. Ciao.